guys know I usually play Murder vs. Sheriff Duels, but today I am playing something different. Today I am playing Don't Press the Button code. Okay, so it's right now about getting. Okay, I can also use this. Okay, I can also use this if I want. This kills people. Okay, except die. Die! Yeah, you died. Is this guy an hacker? Was that guy just an? Did I just see a hacker? Is that okay? Okay, guys. I'm pausing the video. I'm joining another server because there's a literal hacker in this server. Okay. Hi guys. Now I'm back in another server this time. Money, yes, queen. Did everybody just steal my money? No, they made me angry by spreading around to be heard of. Hush. Okay, I said it's spreading. We can't get there anymore. I need to help myself only. I need to parkour till there. Yes, queen. Yes, parkour all the way. Everybody shall die. Why is there so many bacon hairs here? Bruh, are you serious right now? Spawned in the place. Okay. In fact, I think fast. Every 3 people does that. I shall be the only person to trust. Reach the end. I'm very good at this one. No, I died somehow. Everybody shall die except me. Bam, bum, bada, ba, bum. Yes, I reached the end. Ha, you all bruh, he was literally dead and reached here. Nobody shall come here. I shall be the only person to stay here, and I am the only person to stay here. No, you die. It was the same person. He broke him again just to die. What? I shall kill everyone. What should I do? Bro. Oh, alright, my brother's here also. He hasn't joined, he's joining right now. And I shall be the bully. I'm a demon. Bro, you should get this ice power potion thing. Bruh, why the blueprint? I shall be the first one. Nobody shall surpass me. No one shall surpass me. Oh. You should get this potion, you know. Where is this one? We don't have enough money here for But I still want to kill everyone. Huh? What do you mean, huh? Is there a damn potato here? Oh, it's broken. Nobody shall live. Run. I shall be the only one to surpass. Oh, okay, don't use that. Use this shovel thing. It helps a lot. It helps to block the way. I shall be the winner. No one else shall surpass me. I hate him more.
Why?
I died. Oh, I was so close to losing the whole thing. I was so close. Oh my god, I'm being so close. How am I always so close, bro? How am I? Okay, now I'm just gonna. Now I'm going into a killing spree. Alright, I forgot to use the potion. Everybody shall know pain.
Shut up.
What? No, you shut up. Using the potion, and now I'm gonna kill everybody. At least tell me one person dies, bro. Is anybody gonna seriously die? Die, dude.
Diagonal spawner.
What? Let's kill the other people. Yeah. I'm a foul demon. Baby, I'm a demon. I'm a fresh demon. What is bro doing, bro? What is like bro doing? What is bro even doing? Get to the water. Haha. No water. Mwaha. Oh. Can ice? Shouldn't ice help as well? Here, guys, have
I
ice.
can freeze you and kill you.
No, ice helps you live. Ew! Ah! It's poop. Nobody shall surpass me. Now I shall be the only one to press the button.
Other people are like, bro, stop moving.
My middle
Stay in the
name.
middle. You die. You die. You die. You will die. You will die.
If you stay in the corner, you have 4 choices to go. Let's just kill everybody. Run away, okay? You can just run away. Okay, what? How did I even reach? Okay, I'm just gonna quickly end this match. There's one rat left. Die, you ratatouille!
Stop using ice powers
No.
in a match. Only use that.
I'm going.
Starting.
And if I can't win, nobody shall. Quickly run away, or you shall be free. Everybody shall die. Okay, this video is pretty long. Okay, should I just skip this thing?
What if you send the ice powers and they also bounce? They bounced.
No, I want the coin. How did it not get? How did I get the coin after so long?
Now,
Yup. Can lava help me?
you're frozen. That's a nice one.
I'll freeze everybody. I don't care. I don't like hot stuff. Everybody shall stay behind.
Whoa!
Okay, sorry. Shouldn't. Okay, I'm not gonna use this anymore, bro. It's just me. So slow, everybody is saying. No! I was like at the end.
Oh my god.
Bruh.
And walk.
Just seriously, I'm gonna kill everybody. I don't care anymore. Zan, don't let that. Gravy, don't let that person reach. Okay, how did I just die? Why do I just keep dying at one spot?
It's the end.
Bro was
He also
literally.
has it. He also has it.
What?
Yo, this jetpack is useful. He
gonna kill that person behind me. I'll just kill everybody. Who even cares?
This jetpack is useless.
Bro, okay, I'm gonna save up for that thing.
Bro, bro, bro.
This costs 15.
Bro, bro, bro.
Be quiet, wait, I found us. I'm now a helper.
Oh, wait, it's a gift.
No. No one shall press the button. I killed everybody. I want to kill everybody and I will kill everybody. For no reason. Okay, I killed myself as well. No, bro. Why was the light so far away? I just killed everybody. Wait, I killed you?
Still dead. You.
I shall kill that big and I want to kill both of these people. You shall die. Come here quickly, bro. Why? What? I'm destroying this guy. I'm gonna keep killing him. I don't care. Oh, he has a laser gun. That guy has played this game for a long
Bro,
time.
I was jumping here like I was in the air, then the...
Run! But you can't die by the darkness, okay? So you have free time to come, okay? You can't die by the darkness. Only the people that have won can't die by the darkness.
I hate you.
I hate you more.
Thanos.
How about just use this instead? Can't I just use this instead? What? Who pushed me? Who the hell dares to push me? Slam, bam, slam. My system is just laggy. Nobody shall beat my time. I'll just stay on the floor and nobody. No! I have 12 seconds.
Shut up, bro!
You shut up.
Not you, this person.
No! He's gonna beat me! Fine, I'll use this. I'll use my secret weapon! No, Gravy, we could stay there like together, bro.
No. I only have 4 points.
I have 15, bro. I'm so... Get this beginner off the planet, dude. We don't want him here. He can't have the points. No. That Gravy, bro.
Bro, I was just pressing. I didn't know I
Okay, I'm using my secret weapon. I'm using... Stay away. That's... Get this beginner away. Stay away.
Bro,
I'm killing everybody. I am mad now. I am angry now.
I once had like 42 points.
No, don't you dare. What if I just use this?
Bro, I can use my jetpack and everything.
Bro, that jetpack is seriously very good.
But it takes 2 billion years to make it fuel. Wait, when you die, you get refuel.
I'm just killing everybody with my ability, dude. I literally don't even care right now. Nobody.
I hate you.
I hate you more.
Stop using your ability in matches.
Bro, the game gave me to it. Ask the game to get rid of it. I don't care. It's a game, bro. Ha ha ha.
Bro, I finished the obby 2 times. 1 time the jetpack and 1 time the obby.
No, bro. I keep losing. Ha 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 ha. Mwah. How about you? Can we? Bro, who just slammed me? I want to kill this guy. He keeps trying to kill me.
Get the most morgan.
Donuts. Donut I don't think is a candy right now. Though. What? Who just killed me?
Down one.
Come on, everybody needs to die. How dare you take that ice cream? I hate you. Bro, is there any sweets left for me, dude?
There's so many.
I can't find. I just found one and I literally found one only.
Chocolate.
I only found one, dude. I hate this. Why isn't anybody dying? Why aren't I shooting this? Okay. No. I literally found a chocolate bar. You guys saw that I found a chocolate bar inside.
I had 9 candies.
You had 9 candies. I had 1.
Ouch.
Okay, I need to make my screen big to find these fireworks. Okay, where are these fireworks? No, Gravy, don't you grab that one. Don't you dare grab that one. Just stay away from here, Ratatouille. No, bruh. He just stole the firework I wanted to grab. Bro, what are we celebrating anyways, dude?
2022.
Bro, it's 2024. Why are we celebrating 2023?
Because this game is old.
22, I meant. Die! Come here! Bro, I just found one and I literally quit. I was like perfect at this game. What happened? No. What? Dude, why does everybody keep finding fireworks except me? Okay, everybody is just staying on top of the buildings. No!
You know this
Bro, this rat!
You know there's fireworks on the buildings.
He literally stole a firework in front of me. Also the ice ball.
84 Robux. Exactly.
And also stay away from the light balls. Ice balls.
I died recently because of your ice. Stop shooting ice!
Where is everybody else?
They
There
died.
are 3 people left. I want to kill the other 2. Is he just using
Hey guard.
Are they using their jetpacks? Wait, I'm killing this.
Guard, you know the fudge.
I'm killing this guy. I'm gonna kill this guy. I don't care. He's dead. Haha. I'm the only one left. La la la. La. No, I died. Also this is also I killed everything. I killed myself as well. I forgot to say it. I don't like this. Everybody die. I don't like this.
Super happy face देखो.
Everybody die. I don't care. I stand still in
Look at
3.
my
You didn't stand still, dude. Everybody die. I don't like this head.
Repair. Bro, how are you repairing a window with a hammer? Oh my god. I got these 4 windows.
Okay, why are there so many leaking? This is literally Roblox logic. Barely any people are helping. Then, Gravy, when you die, I'll use. It's flooding. Who is not working hard? Bro, somebody get that. Are you seriously hiding? Where are you right now, huh? Oh, you're there. Okay, you're not hiding.
We're gonna drown. Let's get
Oh,
in
well,
the
I'm gone hiding. Okay, well, I'm gonna
Let's
go.
get in the box. We're gonna drown.
Wasn't it that one that we're supposed to stand on?
Oh yeah.
Run, gravy. When you die, I'll just use this.
Bro.
Using my power for fun.
Get ready. Everybody get ready.
I'll just use this instead. Everybody will
What do you mean
just.
get ready?
We have to fight to the death.
What do
Now-
you mean? It's nothing.
Bro, where? How are you? Why are you there?
Bro, I'm under the man. What do
I shall be the only one to stay alive. La la la.
I shall be the only one to stay alive because I'm under the fucking map.
Well, I can't die. Okay. Well, you didn't. Bruh! I lost my big head. No. I lost my big. Now everybody shall die because I lost my big head and I'm angry now. Okay, I'm gonna stop using this. Okay, that was a long video. Okay, now that's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Or else you are listening to me, right?
And
Goodbye.